Hey there everyone, you got some staticky noise in your videos that's been plaguing you like it has in some of my videos. You're wanting to figure out how to clean it out? Well, good news for you because I have found another tool in Audacity to help get rid of that unwanted noise. Welcome to the Digital Paul Workshop. It is I, the audio mismatch that leaves your dialogue echoing in the world, Techno Meow Tinkerer. Let's log on in. So what brought this to my attention was a comment somebody left in one of my videos talking about the audio quality and using a noise gate. So I had to go look up what a noise gate is. I don't recall seeing it in any of the tutorial videos when I was looking at noise reduction, but if it did, it may be because the reason I didn't use it because I didn't see it in my version of Audacity, and I'm going to explain why I didn't see it. So as you can see, I already got this audio up, and this is the intro to my Olive graphic editor video I'm working on here. And if I come up to effects, for me, so you get this little arrow here at the top. For me, when I normally come up, it's like this. That's all I see. I did not see noise effect. Now I can come here, and if I do the arrow down, I can now scroll, because when my monitor set up, it runs this menu off screen because I got my tablet set below my monitors, but it does not show on my tablet, so I do not see the noise gate. Now a quicker way, and if I come back up here to the top and just push the arrow, because if I move this down to my tablet, I get the little down arrow where this is the up arrow. But if I can come here and I can just do the up, it brings up my entire bottom list real fast. And so there's my noise gate. That's why I couldn't find it. And so what I'm going to need to do is, one of the things you're going to do is going to need to find your levels, where your level at. So let's play. And see that little click at the beginning brought up here, but I don't really want to know that. I want to know all this dead space. And so that's looking at probably around maybe 28, I'm going to say. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to highlight part of this so we can see it in the preview. And come on down here and noise gate, and you can play around with this. This is the one that you really want to focus on first, is the gate threshold. And this is where you can kind of come in, and it's just, if I had it here. Hey there everyone, are you looking for a bit more way to get creative? And it kind of is chopping off my words. If I come down to here, I don't want to go that low, we'll go this low. Hey there everyone, are you looking for a bit more way to get creative? And so you still kind of hear it. So I figure right around here is where I need to be. Hey there everyone, are you looking for a bit more way to get creative? And so that's kind of close. I'll actually address this to probably by actually just 28. And you see what it does here, it kind of maneuver some of this stuff down. Hey there everyone, are you looking for... And that sounds a little bit better, but you still hear it when I talk. So for me, I found out if I just come in here and I do this, and I covered noise reduction on the past video. If I go ahead and if I do this first, and then when I come in, because let's see if we do this, that's saying about 36. So we're going to actually just use a section of this so we can kind of see what we're doing. Go back to the effects, noise gate. And so this time is about 36. I'm going to bring it down to 34 and see how it does. Hey there everyone, are you looking for a bit more way to... That seems to be doing a little better. I'm going to move it back closer to 30. Hey there everyone, are you looking for a bit more way to... I feel like it's still kind of cut off my words. Now you got these a couple others that you may want to play with just to see how they react. Hey there everyone, are you looking for a bit more way to... So that seems like it's doing a little bit better. The attack decay. I think if it's too low, it cuts off your words. Hey there everyone, are you looking for a bit more way to... Not really, but you might want to try some of these around just to see how they affect the audio. But that's how you basically use noise gate. Thanks to the person for suggesting this in one of my comments about using this particular way of editing the audio. I look forward to it helping me clean up the stuff, and it's another tool for you guys to use as well. And of course, if you like my content, you get to these websites right here to support me in different ways. Links are also in the description, as well as like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you think might find it interesting. And if you are looking at some more ways to want to clean up your audio, I recommend you go check out my video, Fixing Audio Popping and Noise with Audacity Tools, for some more tips and tools and tricks to use to clean up your audio. Until next time, have a nice day.